Hola, hola! I'm Désirée Iturbide, and today I'm going to show you how to draw a dolphin jumping out of the water. First, we make a circle. It's very easy to draw things with geometrical figures. From here, we will draw kind of, if you're making the bean shape, but ending here like this, we will divide it with a line in the middle, and we'll make a triangle in the top for the upper fin, and the lower fins end up in this line. So we're gonna do another triangle here for the fin that is closer to us, and another triangle for the back one, like here, just to give us the guidelines. The tail are two triangles, and the nose is an ellipse, like this. The eye is pretty close to the nose. Now we just need to unify all our lines. These fins are curved. The tail is like the mustache of a man, and then we have the tail, and the fins under the belly are like this, curved too. One is closer to us and the other one is like underneath the dolphin. Now the nose. They're kind of smiling always, it's very cute. And we just have here the water splashing. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, please help me grow this channel by hitting the subscribe button and the notification bell below. That way you won't miss any of my future videos. And there are lots of them to come.